266 active volcanoes and a magma ocean. New findings on Io. Analysis of new data collected by the Juno spacecraft suggests that there is an ocean of magma beneath the surface of Io, one of Jupiter's moons and the most volcanically active object in the Solar System. These findings appear to confirm previous research based on data from the Galileo spacecraft. By the way, scientists analyzing the data counted 266 active volcanoes. Jupiter's moon Io stands out from other moons in the Solar System with numerous volcanoes and a surface dominated by lava flows. Io's volcanic nature was confirmed in 1979 when the Voyager spacecraft flew by, sending photos of volcanoes and lava lakes to Earth. This activity is stimulated by Jupiter's powerful gravity, which causes the Moon to deform. Io's orbit around the gas giant is elliptical, which means Jupiter's gravitational influence varies, changing the shape of the Moon as it orbits. The amplitude of these deformations can be up to 100 meters. This causes friction inside the object. As a result, huge amounts of heat are generated, which is released through volcanic activity. Io is the third largest moon of Jupiter and the fourth largest in the entire Solar System. It is slightly larger than Earth's moon. It orbits Jupiter in less than 43 hours. It is the most active volcanic place in our planetary system. But is there a magma ocean inside Io? In 2016, the Juno probe sent by NASA reached Jupiter. Its aim is to study the structure of the gas giant's atmosphere, measure the planet's magnetic and gravitational fields and magnetosphere. But Juno also explores Jupiter's moons. On October 15, the probe flew near Io. It came within just 11,680 kilometers of the Moon's lava and volcano-covered surface and took numerous photos. Based on data collected by Juno, scientists have identified 266 active volcanoes, which, according to the authors of the new study, may provide evidence of the existence of a huge magma ocean beneath Io's surface. This research has not yet gone through the peer review process and is currently available for viewing in the archive preprint database. The new look at Io provides more than just proximity to Juno's flybys. The probe is in a polar orbit, while previous observations of this moon were mainly limited to the equatorial plane. The data underlying this study were collected by Juno's Jovial Infrared Auroral Mapper, JIRAM, a spectrometer designed to study Jupiter's upper atmosphere in infrared light. The distribution of Io's volcanic activity likely reflects the location and magnitude of internal tidal heating, the authors write in the paper. Now, thanks to Juno, researchers have near-infrared images covering almost the entire Moon, revealing the distribution and magnitude of thermal emissions from actively erupting volcanoes on Io. With this data, scientists were able to look inside the Moon and develop models to explain Io's volcanic activity. Models predict increased heat flow at Io's poles if tidal heating occurs deep in the mantle, and at lower latitudes if heating occurs mainly in the asthenosphere or there is a magma ocean there. Explained the authors of the publication. The study revealed differences in energy production between the poles and equatorial regions, and between the poles themselves. On average, volcanoes in Io's polar regions produce less energy than volcanoes at lower latitudes. In turn, volcanoes at the South Pole produce less energy than volcanoes at the North Pole, the scientists explain. We show that the distribution of volcanic heat flux from 266 active hotspots is consistent with the presence of a global magma ocean, and/or shallow asthenospheric heating, the study authors add. This is not the first study to suggest that Io has a magma ocean. The previous Galileo probe, from 2009, based on data from the magnetometer, showed the existence of a weak magnetic field. And its formation, as scientists determined, requires the existence of a magma ocean covering the entire Moon. According to that study, Io probably has a magma ocean about 50 kilometers below the surface. Juno will make further close passes over Io's surface in the coming months. On December 30, 2023 and February 3, 2024. It is expected to approach to a distance of only 1,500 kilometers from the surface of the Moon.